Hey DIYers and pros, I'm bringing you 3 of my favorite drywall shorts, all in one video. So you get the full picture of how to prep, texture, and repair. So even your mother-in-law might be impressed. Stick around, the final hack might just save your next project. So let's dive right in. To prep for knockdown in a remodel house, this is one of the biggest steps that you're going to have to do. You'll have to plastic every wall in the house, which means getting lots of plastic and blue tape. Besides taping up walls, you'll have other objects that you have to tape up too. Like in this job, we had many can lights that we had to cover up. Also, we used any kind of plastic bags that we could find to cover up the lights. We also borrowed the homeowner's wife's kitchen bags. She never even got upset once she saw the end results. Now that we have the perfect prep job, let's talk about the tools, the mud consistency, and the technique. Let's move on. Here we are mixing down the knockdown mud. I like to mix it down like a really delicious creamy ranch dressing. Ranch dressing, love it. Here's our crazy blue hopper that we're going to be using, and there's our delicious knockdown mud. Here I am spraying side to side method like a crazy madman. You can do the small circle system as long as you don't get dizzy. What you're looking for is a consistency of the same throughout the ceiling. Before wiping with your plastic knife, let the ceiling sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes, making sure you wipe out every inch of the ceilings. So when you're done with all the wiping and the cleanup, the end game winds up looking like this. Looks great, right? Well, what if you have a patch that sticks out like a sore thumb? Well, in the next video, I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Oh yeah, hang out for the Project Saver. It's a hack you may have never seen before. I got a call the other day from a customer. She said she had a spot that was like a pimple that you couldn't cover up with all the makeup in the world. Went over to fix the spot, saw it, woo, and it was bad. Got it taken care of. Then I realized that I'd forgotten my knockdown knife. Thought about it for a minute, realized I had an old for sale sign in my truck from a yard sale we had. Never sold a dadgummit thing, but tried it out, it worked amazing. I was so impressed. On another note, always make sure that you sponge down the edges of the spot you fixed before you spray your knockdown. There you go, 3 simple videos of how to master texture. If you have any questions, please drop them down. I would love to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.